Let's settle one of the biggest debates in YouTube strategy right now. This little box. How much time should you, as a busy SaaS founder, or really anybody, actually spend on YouTube tags? Some say that they're critical, a lot of people say that they're useless, but the truth is really somewhere in the middle, and getting it wrong means losing one of your most valuable assets, your time. In this video, I'm going to show you what YouTube's own data says, the one specific scenario where tags do still matter, and a simple playbook to spend your time where it'll actually get you leads. So first, let's just go straight to the source and see, what does YouTube say about its own platform? So on their website, you can see that YouTube's official stance is that tags can be useful if the content of your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in your video's discovery. Minimal role. They said it, not me. Think of the YouTube algorithm as a detective of sorts. It uses clues to figure out what your videos are about. Your title is the smoking gun. It's the most important clue, while your description is the detailed witness statement. And your tags, they're more like faint fingerprints. They can help to confirm a theory, but they're not going to be the primary evidence. And the algorithm's main job is to find a video that satisfies the viewer. So to do this, it measures things like watch time and your click-through rate. Your title and thumbnail are what get the initial click, but then your content gets the actual watch time. That's the core loop. Okay, so what if you're a brand new channel? You have no watch history, no subscribers, no data. The detective really has a cold case in essence. And this is the one scenario where tags are going to have a slightly more important, albeit temporary role. Because when your channel is new, the algorithm has no idea who you are, and the tags are going to provide immediate and explicit information and clues for the algorithm. By adding tags like maybe B2B SaaS marketing or fintech software demo or cybersecurity for small businesses, you're giving the algorithm at least a small starting point. So that helps with two things. The first is initial categorization, which helps YouTube understand what your video's topic is right out of the gate. The second is video association. This can help associate your new video with other videos that are more established with perhaps similar tags that will potentially land you in the up next sidebar. But think of this as a temporary boost, because once your channel gets even a small amount of data, the algorithm will trust real viewer data far more than those tags that you manually entered. So what's the play for actually getting you leads? As a founder, especially of a small team, you need to be efficient with your time. So here's where to put your energy in the order of importance to get the most ROI. First up, you have your title, thumbnail, and description. You're going to want to spend 99% of your time here. And your title must include the keyword or the phrase that your customer is searching for. I've already recorded another video about how to optimize your video, whether for YouTube search or for browse features, which I'll link below, and you can check out after this one. And your description should also use that same keyword or phrase in the very first few lines before moving on to naturally explain your video's value. Priority 2 is going to be your channel's keywords. This is a one-time setting that has a huge impact. I've already recorded a video about this as well, which I'll also include below for you. But basically, this is telling YouTube essentially what your entire channel is about. And this really defines your niche in YouTube. And then priority 3 is going to be your tags. You really don't want to spend more than 5 minutes on this. Your first tag should be the exact main keyword or phrase from your title. Add 5 to 10 other tags that are relevant variations or common misspellings, and then move on. Do not overthink it. Focusing your time on your title, thumbnail, and description is how you shift from guessing to building a predictable system for lead generation on YouTube. Now, if you want to find out more about how to find those high-intent, problem-focused keywords that your customers are actually searching for, be sure to check out this video next. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.